Morning, everyone. I thought I'd use this time to answer some questions from my troll, Valdora Bente UA 290. And I don't even know where to start with this, but his biggest cry was the cold air intake. You have quarter-inch gaps, the cold air intake's junk, you should just blah blah. I agree, the cold air intake on this thing is junk. It is not my truck, so I shall not be taking it off because the customer doesn't want me to take it off. He says, I have a rod knock, I should put oil in it. It's not a rod knock, it's a rocker. And it's not a knock, it's a okay? And I will adjust that down before the truck goes. He wants to let me know that he has no idea why I even made this video, but thank me for entertaining him. And again, I'm glad that he liked it. I can only assume that it must be hard to be great like him. So I bow to his feet and I shall sacrifice 10,000 virgins for him. Quarter inch. I can only imagine what this guy's sex life is like if he thinks when a zip tie doesn't go in it. It's a quarter inch. Folks, it's tight. Just because you see a gap here does not mean the gap goes all the way through. As you see, it does not go all the way through. We are talking about 1/16 of an inch, maybe 30 seconds. And it does not go in. But hey, he thinks it's a quarter inch gap. And there's no gap at all. It doesn't go in. But either way, yes, that cold air intake is junk. I couldn't even tell you if it's a true K&N. I don't care if it is or not, personally. It's not even a cold air intake. It, to me, is not worth having. Personally, if I was going to do an intake system on something like this, and to actually get a performance intake, it would have to come out down at the bottom where it gets airflow because there's no airflow there. But I'm not the one who designed it. It's not my truck. So we're good to go. The biggest gap is there, and it still does not go all the way in. See? It's not sucking air. Fucking tart. But hey, thank you, Mr. Val, or whatever your name is. Please comment some more. I love your comments. They help the channel out. And people like you, I love my trolls. You know, I only got a couple of them so far. I'm still new to this, but please feel free to troll me. I will answer any response you have. Have a great day, folks.